The cbCharge philosophy is simple. You do what you do best, and we take care of billing, leaving you free to run your business and build your customer base while improving cash flow. Here's how. Once you have completed a job and the customer has enrolled, submit the invoice to cbCharge. We'll buy the invoice and pay you right away, with a fee that is typically less than you pay on a credit card transaction. And there are no hidden fees such as interest or late charges. Use cbCharge to get paid on any invoice for any customer at any time. So the job is done, you've been paid, and you're free to move on to the next job. Meanwhile, cbCharge sends the customer a month-end statement at no additional cost to you. We collect payment, typically within 30 to 45 days, or follow up on slow payables. But that's our problem, not yours. So you do the work and satisfy the customer. You submit the invoice to us and get paid right away, minus a small fee. We work with the customer to secure payment. The liability is ours. You get your money in 24 hours, not 45 days. Sign up is easy and free. Go to cbCharge.com to sign up in less than 2 minutes, so you can keep doing what you do best and doing more of it.